Okay then, let's set up a Moodle course on MoodleCloud. First thing we have to do is sign up. So we click on the sign up button. You've got a number of different options. We're going to choose the free one. So let's get started. Okay, we have to create a new account. I'm going to create this one with my name. I don't particularly want any of that, so let's go to next now. Okay, so I'm going to call my site Madge Training. Okay, and we can see that it's madgetraining.moodlecloud.com. Okay, I'm going to choose Australia, but you can choose as whatever you like. There. So let's click on next. Okay, so the verification code comes. And we click on there and away we go. Okay, and then need a password. Enter the password. And click on next. I'm going to save my password there. Okay, and there's a little bit of information there. And now we have our Moodle site. Let's go there. This is the tour that is part of Moodle. We can look at this. You can look at your own. But for now, we're just going to end the tour because we are ready to go.